There's no better place to start self-improvement than with your health. After all, health is one of the most important aspects of life. Taking care of your health is the first step on the road to self-improvement. 1. Eat breakfast. Start the day off right with a quick morning breakfast. Fruit and yogurt, granola and milk or whole wheat toast and peanut butter will ensure you start on the right foot. 2. Relax in the morning. Get up a couple minutes early and savor that extra time. Enjoy a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise. Take a few extra minutes to yourself in the shower. Or go for a quick brisk walk around the block to get your heart pumping. There's nothing worse than starting your day in a rush. A few minutes in the morning can make a world of difference. 3. Exercise with a friend. Exercise releases endorphins, which can lift your spirit as well as help you maintain a healthy weight. However, sometimes it can be hard to get out of bed and actually hit the gym. Combining your friendly chatter with exercise can make exercise much more fun. Working out with a friend, whether this is a morning stroll, a spin class, an evening run or anything else, can keep you motivated and revved for the rest of the day. 4. Don't just drink water, enjoy water. Tap water is fine, in most instances, but pure water makes a big difference. It's important to drink 2 liters of water each day, however, this shouldn't seem like a chore. Add some ice cubes, cordial and enjoy water through a fun straw to make it more indulgent. Water doesn't have to be just water. 5. Pop a vitamin a day. It's amazing what one little pill can do for your health. Multivitamins can give your body the nourishment it is lacking. We can't eat perfect, balanced and healthy all the time, which is why vitamins were created. 6. Hide or throw away the scale. A scale is the only ingredient you need for a recipe for disaster when it comes to self-improvement. Hide it. Throw it away and don't think about it. You have more important things to worry about than your weight. If you feel great on the inside, then it will show on the outside, regardless of what that darn scale says. 7. Stop smoking. Quitting is hard, not quitting is even harder. If you are a smoker, start small and get the help you need. Limiting your cigarette intake is the first step to a healthier you and an improved lifestyle. 8. Aim for 30. 30 minutes of exercise each day is recommended by health professionals. This includes simple changes to your lifestyle like incorporating a walk into your evening activities, taking the stairs instead of the elevator and riding your bike to work once in a while. 9. Stretch. Stretching can keep your muscles feeling relaxed and also helps to relieve stress. 10. Follow the food guide. The health professionals made the daily food chart for a reason. Try to get 2 servings of fruit, 5 servings of fruit, dairy and protein each day. 11. Reward yourself, in moderation. A weekly treat is necessary for all your hard work to remain healthy. Treat yourself to something you love like low-fat ice cream or chocolate. On the path to self-improvement, there is always time to stop and eat dessert. 12. Accept the aging process. Many people have trouble coming to terms with their body's changes as they age. It's important to understand that aging is a natural process. Learn to love your wrinkles, your gray hair and your less than tight skin. George Clooney, Harrison Ford, Demi Moore, Sharon Stone and Brad Pitt are all over 40, and they have never looked better. 13. Limit your alcohol intake. Having a glass of wine with dinner is fine. However, when you are drinking a bottle of wine a night, or, even worse, binge drinking, then you are causing serious damage to your body. If you are going to drink, drink responsibly. Make sure you have a designated driver or cab ride and drink plenty of water throughout the night. 14. Don't neglect your oral hygiene. Make it a habit to brush, floss and use sugar-free, alcohol-free mouthwash daily. Make a trip to the dentist once a year too. No one likes going to the dentist, but no one wants to lose his or her teeth either. 15. Distress. Remaining healthy is not just about go, go, go. You also need to stop, relax and distress. Stress is unavoidable at some times. The best way to deal with stress is to push away from it for a few minutes, let your body relax, and then tackle it head on. 16. Invest in sleep. You don't need us to tell you how important sleep is. This is why it's a good idea to reward yourself at night with expensive sheets, a perfectly firm mattress and cozy down covers. Your bed is your battery recharger. Make sure it's in tip-top condition. 17. Get creative with food. Variety is the spice of life, and this couldn't be truer than in the kitchen. Share recipes with friends, check online cooking forums and have fun with your food. You can still eat a healthy and affordable diet that doesn't just consist of brown rice, grilled chicken and salad. Spice it up. 18. If you get sick, then be sick. So many people attempt to work through their illness. Stop. If you are sick, then stay in bed. Getting sick is your body's way on telling you that you are working too hard. You will feel better faster if you just accept the illness and take a break. Plus, you will not be contaminating those around you. So grab some ginger ale, Kleenex and the DVD player and let your body heal. Again, this is Self-Hancement, a practical self-help channel. If you find this video valuable for you, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.